at the box from here, you take it down, you're looking for anything that's inappropriate. You have yeah, those things under there. Buckets, there you go, buckets under there. You put those in there. If you're not sure or if it's inappropriate, ask me. If it scares you, it's probably gonna scare the kid. So just put it down there. Same with trash, just put it down there. Rubber bands. When you take the rubber bands off, they go back in the box. Back in the box, okay? So then when you get this, you set it up here, then the taper. You're gonna be a scanner. Yeah, okay.
I am inspecting boxes. And we've got a good set of boxes here right now. Haven't found anything that needs help. Oh my goodness, look at this doll! She's got a strawberry on her pink dress and she has red hair. Do we match? Oh, this is so cute. It is a washcloth. The nose is a sticker. I guess the eyeballs are a sticker. And the ears are a piece of felt that just goes through. Okay, we gotta figure out how to do this. I am inspecting this box and look what I found. They made a little cradle here for this little baby. Isn't that cute? And we got another one of those puppy dog washcloths. So much fun. These are from the Chicken Lady and Friends of Allo, Texas. Okay, this box got this little guy and he's holding a baseball, so I'm going to make sure that I leave it so that he's on the top. But then when I looked underneath, I found this like quilted, handmade bear. Isn't that adorable? I am working at the Dallas Processing Center today. So this is our little break area. And there are restrooms over there in the gear store. And we have the big Christmas tree. Take your picture in front of. Over there is a sit-down Jobs of filler. Here in the middle we have filler and shoe hospital. And then we have all of these rows of processing shoeboxes. 26 different stations. It is an exciting place. Lots of music, lots of yelling when we get boxes and cartons filled, and when we get trucks filled. It's an awesome time. If you've never worked at a processing center and you like packing shoeboxes, I highly recommend you do it. My friend and I, we always come up and get a hotel and spend a couple days here because it is just that much fun. And today I am working on line 6. Here we are. And we're just having a great time for Jesus. Isn't this dress cute? It comes with this squishmallow rabbit popsicle thing and some flip-flops. Really cute box. And this is from Salem. Good job, Salem. These are little crochet, little squiggly, wormy things. This would be a fun craft to do. Came in this box. We got some dinosaurs in there. Some different fun things. We have a bunch of boxes coming through from the Oak Grove Baptist Church. And they are nice and full boxes, so we're not really needing to do much to these boxes except inspect them and pass them down. Hey Connie, what'd you find? heart-shaped octopus in this box, which is from First Baptist Church in Bonham, Texas.
Very cute.
Awesome. So we are at the third table for today. We keep switching tables and jobs, and now I get to be the scanner. And I'm cartonizing, putting them in the cartons, and then the cartons go down the conveyor belt that were right here at the end, and then they will get loaded into the truck. Fun, fun. Hey guys, this is my new friend Rick, and can you tell us what you're doing today?
I am what they call the switch driver. I move the trailers and the containers that we load. Today they're going to Dominican Republic and Mexico. And I got to meet Straw-Bearie, and it is just a joy and a blessing to work for OCC.
Awesome. Thank you, Rick.
You're welcome.
Hi, here I am with Tiffany. Hi.
One of my favorite gals right here.
Oh, one of my favorites. Here. Check out her channel.
Check out her channel.
If you look in that bay, you see a full box. You see the staff member holding the air horn.
Okay, here we go. And they've completed a full carton. So I can come over here real fast.
And so far we've done 31,000 shoeboxes here that are going to the Dominican Republic and Mexico here at the Dallas Processing Center. So much fun.